Well, Randy Mastro testifying in front of City Council today as part of his confirmation hearing to be the city's next top lawyer.
Council members pressing Mastro on a number of topics before a vote to confirm him in the coming weeks. Fox 5's Morgan McKay breaks down all the details.
Please, Councilwoman, please let me finish, okay? This is important because you've questioned my moral character.
And there were dozens of tense and at times combative exchanges just like this between City Council members and Randy Mastro during his confirmation hearing. Mayor Eric Adams nominated Mastro to serve as Corporation Counsel. And if he is confirmed to lead the city's law department, Mastro would represent both the mayor and the City Council in legal cases. But Mastro needs to convince at least 2/3 of the City Council to approve his nomination before he can lead the city's law department. And even before his hearing, there was major pushback from some council members who say his record has made him unfit to serve, as Speaker Adrian Adams highlighted.
Their record of fighting for the people, for standing up for workers' rights, and pursuing racial equality and justice must be uncompromising.
Mastro served as deputy mayor and chief of staff for former Mayor Rudy Giuliani. He represented Chris Christie in the Bridgegate scandal, and most recently has been representing the state of New Jersey in its lawsuit against New York's congestion pricing plan. And with all the legal battles currently facing Mayor Adams, there is a concern among some that Mastro would just become a taxpayer-funded lawyer for the mayor.
That's not my question, though.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm asking you how the council can trust that you will faithfully represent the interests of all the city's officers.
I will be an independent force for good, representing this council in ways that no corp council ever has before.
But Mastro has a long list of supporters besides just Adams, including former Governor David Paterson, who seemed slightly taken aback at some of the council's questions.
The city council members are setting a standard I don't even think they can live up to.
Despite the tough questions, Mastro continued to highlight his work advancing legislation to protect same-sex marriage and his pro bono work helping migrants, at one point becoming emotional when talking about his own family's immigrant roots and his father.
Although he's no longer with us, and I miss him every day, he inspires me every day to pursue my dreams, which I'm doing here today.
City council members are going to be voting on whether or not to confirm Mastro at the beginning or middle of September. Reporting from outside City Hall, I'm Morgan McKay, Fox 5 News.